This is the highway to 10K, a challenge where I try to make $10,000 online as fast as possible. Today, a bunch of Kobe's are going to be dropping. The main thing I gotta look out for is starting my Shopify tasks on time. I always seem to screw that up. However, yesterday I seem to have done it correctly, so the goal is to do it again today. Beautiful. I think I started them at the right time. These three are good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, hell no. Okay, this is good. This is good. Anything under 10? Oh, that. I only have a few. Nah, bro. This shit already hasn't even started yet. You have like literally a 3-second margin of error between starting at the right time and not starting at the right time. Oh my god, bro. I love Shopify because it takes so little time. Like, you literally will know whether or not you get a W or L within the first minute. However, it feels like I'm playing that game where you have to like time your button press so that it lines up with a light. This is the one that I'm talking about.
Where you have to hit the button at the exact moment the light comes by.
And if you don't start your tasks right at that perfect time, you're just screwed. But other than that, we do have one more shot at this. Nike is going to be dropping them at 11 a.m. but I don't have high hopes for Nike. No, I got non-winner for one of them already. Oh my god! I hit something on Nike. Let's go. Was wondering why they decided to use these colors specifically, and it's supposed to pay tribute to his career in Los Angeles. That's why it's called the Venice Beach colorway. And I found this picture of Venice Beach that kind of resembles what you see on the shoe. Interesting. One of the craziest price glitches just happened. Instacart was doing some sort of promotion on their website. However, when you actually get to cart, the grand total is way cheaper. I ordered about 50 Amazon Fire Sticks for $17.92. On eBay, these are going for anywhere between $30 to $40 each. However, I'm not 100% confident that these are actually going to be sent properly without any issues, because I did go a little bit overboard. Not sure if the store actually has enough to fulfill that amount, but yeah.
Hey. Good day.
Hello.
They don't got no Fire Stick.
Damn, bro. What a shame. The crazy thing is, this like actually would have worked, but my local Lowe's store just didn't have any stock, so that sucks. So I placed a couple more orders. First guy said it was out of stock, but the second person apparently is heading to me now with my order. For this order, I didn't go as crazy. I bought 10 Fire Sticks instead of 50, so we'll see if doing less quantity is the move. But who knows? Honestly, I'm a little bit nervous. Guys, no freaking way. No way. Bro, no way. It's here. Why did the first guy say it was out of stock? Why? Oh my god, this is amazing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, what the fuck? One is missing. Yo, I knew it couldn't have been that easy. Oh, okay. The quantity was changed to 9 actually. So I was only charged $153.89. So that means I got them for around $17 each. Heck yeah. today we're going for Jackie Robinson Nike Air Maxes and also these Alpha Huaraches. Should be profitable, so we're going for it. Shopify didn't even drop. All right, we're waiting for Nike then, I guess. All right, here we go. Oh, connect account. Okay. Now we check out. Add to cart. Go to cart. Yup. Yo, I think I got it. Please. Oh my god. All sizes are in stock. Maybe no one can check out. Continue to payment. Bro. Oh, wait. Is this it? Am I finally getting it? 3, 2. Oh, I got it. Yo, I kind of feel like a scammer. I sold the Yeezy Slide Onyx for $140 before fees. 2 times the retail price of an item that was in stock for almost a whole month. I just made my price super high just because I was starting to run out of slides, so I didn't really expect it to sell. But here we are. And I also made 2 Denim Tears hoodie sales. Today, I made a huge bulk sale to a buyer that is in the process of opening up a store in LA. All my Denim Tears sold. All of my Yeezy Salt slides sold. However, I did give a slight bulk discount and I am shipping across the country. I'm based in New York City. The combination of these unfortunately had eroded my profit margin. From this big sale, I got about a 7% return on investment, giving me a total profit of around $300. In fact, this is only 2% higher return on investment than credit card rewards farming, which is 5%. Speaking of credit card rewards, I actually forgot that I purchased all of these Denim Tears hoodies with a 1.5% cash back credit card. So I'll go ahead and add that to my profit as well. Even though margins for this is just okay-ish, I still see it as a win because I do get the convenience of shipping everything out in one go to a buyer instead of having to wait for eBay or consignment customers to buy one thing at a time. Speaking of consignment, a couple of Honeydew Dunks that I consigned with Alias had also sold surprisingly fast. Guys, we are so close to concluding this web series. A couple more bulk sales or a few high margin sales should allow us to close this out. Very, very exciting. Palace is having a collaboration with Evisu, going for the black t-shirts. Let's see how it goes. Oh, I picked up. Perfect. I should be able to cop. Okay, good distribution of sizes too. A little bit too many large, but... Bro, what the fuck? Are you gonna solve or not? Bro! Why is my shit not solving? Nah! What the fuck happened, bro? Tragic. This should have been an easy drop, bruh. Yo, I think my Gmails are burnt or something. I haven't been farming them. That was my bad. That's user error right there. Haven't been going for too many drops over this past week. However, I did grab this portable wireless touchscreen car stereo for free from Buyer's Portal, and I'll be listing this today on eBay. A few months ago, Taylor Swift dropped pre-orders for her CD, retailed for $18 and currently selling on eBay for around $50. I bought a few of them at the time, and here they are. I sold a couple of them right away as soon as I got shipping confirmations, so these are getting shipped out tomorrow. And I had also sold a bunch of miscellaneous collectibles, Funko Pop that I had forever, Twilight Color Pop makeup set, more Hello Kitty slippers, my last pair of Onyx slides for $140 before fees again, very nice, and my last pair of Onyx foam runners. Tomorrow we got a bunch of shoes dropping, and hopefully within the next 1 to 2 episodes, maybe even 3 episodes if we're unlucky, we're able to close this out.